Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Midnight at the Barclay Hotel. So when JJ finally convinces his mother to accept a surprise invitation to an all-expense-paid getaway to the illustrious Barclay Hotel, he never imagined that he would find himself in the middle of a murder mystery. He thought that he was just in for his run-of-the-mill ghost hunting adventures in a popular haunted spot in town. However, when they show up at the hotel, the mother is blamed for the owner's death, and he quickly realizes that his weekend is going to be anything but ordinary. So with his new friends, Emma and Penny, together they set out to find out who the real killer is, clear his mother's name, and maybe even find a ghost or two. So if you like ghost stories and mysteries, then this would be a great book for you, Midnight at the Barclay Hotel. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.